time no CB. Hello down up there, my friend, Pistol Grip, 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the way.
About it, DX Man, A306, South Carolina, Mr. Magoo, boy.
We just kind of blow the cobwebs on this thing. Don't really know how good it's doing. Just trying to get everything back up and running. I ain't had the cotton picker plugged in the wall in about 2 or 3 months. Anyways, Pistol Grip, your friend in 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
Yes, sir, right back. It's been a while. Get that video rolling.
Hey, Pistol, I got the video gate rolling. Hey, Pistol Grip, I got the video gate rolling. It's on and it's rolling there. Breaker.
Hey, tell me, man. I made so much customers on this 148. Hey, Beavis, I did a little something different on the radio since the last time you hear it. Hey, Beavis, good to see your voice. Wow, man.
It sounds like that 148's doing that deal down here in 10, man. That 148's doing that deal down here in 10, my friend, Pistol Grip.
That is a Pistol Grip, big Pistol Grip around Tennessee. Wow, man, with the big old Carolina Hills lead. No condition.
Hello, Wild Man. Hello, Wild Man. You ain't got Pistol Grip, you got Beavis down here in 10. Hey, Wild Man, B018 Beavis in Tennessee, waving.
Oh, Lord have mercy there. Beavis, I'm sorry about that. Hey, Beavis, where you at in Tennessee there, buddy?
I'm down here in White County on the Coleman Plateau, about halfway between Sparta and Crossville. You got Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper headquarters there, waving a hand.
I heard you say something about Sparta. I ain't real sure. So you west, middle, or west Tennessee? Or east Tennessee? I think you're about middle or west Tennessee there, brother.
Well, I'm kind of east. I'm halfway between Knoxville and Nashville there, Breaker.
Damn people queued up there. Let's go around Beavis. Anyway, big brother, 73 state care, God bless. Big old weekend wave. Saturday evening wave out of these mountains of North Carolina. Oh, wow, man, up there north of Daniel Boone country, I'm back out.
Hey, Wild Man, I appreciate you coming back to me, man. Wild Man, I said halfway between Knoxville and Nashville. Anyway, Wild Man, sounded good down here in the Big Ten. 018 to 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the way.
Hey, 018, I tell you, you sounded good over here around the Blue Ridge. Hey, 018, 64 around the Blue Ridge, waving.
Hello, 64 around the Blue Ridge. Hello, 64 around the Blue Ridge, man. You're sounding real good up here in 10. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the way.
All right, man, I sure do appreciate that I can make that trip back to you on this old two-pill. Hey, you top of the evening time to you there. 018, you got it going on around these Blue Ridge Mountains. 64, we sitting back to bushes and copying your mail.
9064, appreciate the comeback. You got Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper headquarters with the Eastern Time Wave. Hope everybody out there's having a good one. We're listening in, rolling a video gate.
South Carolina, if I got any kind of condition around the smoke, around them Carolinas. Black Smoke, old Soldier Slim in Maryland, waving. Hey, what I'm...
Hello, Black Smoke. Hello, Black Smoke. I got you, Mr. Black Smoke. Black Smoke, you got conditions in Tennessee, man. You sounded real good. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Hey, 018. Hey, 018 in Tennessee. I was calling Black Smoke down there around the tobacco fields.
Oh, 018, 018, 0189 in Virginia, wait.
I was calling that Black Smoke down there around the tobacco fields.
Oh, Beavis, hey, 018, 0189.
018 in Tennessee. Your Soldier Slim round on.
Hey, 0189. Hey, 0189, you come over, took over my receipt, so I got to holler for you, man. Hey, 0189, man, you sound real good up here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis, you're waving your way.
All right, the 018, hey, Beavis, you're sounding choice out on the Chesapeake Bay. 0189 said so, I'm stepping on back.
No, you 189, coming here loud and proud like a local. I got you on a video gate. Be your friend in 10, 018 Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Click, 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 click. Hello, Jack Hammer. Hello, Jack Hammer in Smoky Hills. Jack Hammer in Smoky Hills. 151. 151. Sit on the dock of the Chesapeake Bay.
Seven got a big old box. 357 got a big old box. 888 and this Mobile, Washington, D.C. said that. Go.
Hello, 888 up there in Washington. Hello, 888 Washington, D.C. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Not 357, you have a problem out there, 357. 888 Mobile, Watergate City. 357 888 Mobile, Watergate City, it's quiet.
Hello, 888 Hey, 888 man, you're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Over in the corner too, ain't no doubt about that. Hey, Jack Hammer, while you cruising that Eagle Maze around the Smoky Hills, 0500 working these two pieces of glass in the Carolinas right back. Come on.
Washington, D.C. is back out.
Hey, yeah, right back.
Hey, Rip, going by what my radio said, you must be here.
Hey, 28, I'm gonna tell you what kind of conditions you got. Hey, 28, I'm gonna tell you exactly what kind of conditions you got. Whenever you mash that Cambiga motor, I can hear them alternators sing. So that ought to tell you what kind of conditions you got. Hey, 28 in Illinois is 0500 in the Carolinas. Clear.
Hey, 500, you're blowing smoke in Tennessee still, man. 500 in the Carolinas. That's 500. Sounding good in a Big 10. 018 Boost with the wave.
Right there, right back. 018. You got a hammer down too, man. Yeah, 018. You sure got a great big old mall down coming over in the Carolinas. See you, my friend. That's 018. A Beavis 0500 in the Carolinas. Right back. Come on.
35 I appreciate you coming back to me, man. You sound real good down here in 10. I got you on my video gate, Mr. 500 in the Carolinas. Sounding good down here at Donkey Stomper. We're listening in, rolling the gate.
706, Mudslinger over here, North Carolina.
Hey, Donkey Stomper, you doing your thing around the Chesapeake Bay.
City, getting on that.
Peak sale for 151.
How about you, Whiskers, down there, Whiskers?
I think I heard 151 in Chesapeake Bay. Not sure. Was that a 151 in Chesapeake Bay? Sounded good in Tennessee. 151 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave down here at Donkey Stomper.
You see it. You only had to say it one time. 888, your friend in the Watergate is getting on that.
Hey, 888 in the Mobile. Sounded real good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
How about it, 018? Hey, 018. 747, waving.
Hey, 747, get off the back of my beam. 747, get off the back of my beam. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, brother, heard you out there. What you wanted to keep
Carolinas. And I see 00 bottom side. South Carolina's right back. Come on.
747, give me just a minute. I'm coming your way.
Roger. Bye. I'm trying to get out there around New York.
Hello, 747. What's going on down there in Texas this evening?
Hey, not much. Just kind of listening to all this skip that we've been waiting for a while. How you doing? You staying busy?
Oh, yeah, man. I've been busy as crap. Haven't been able to keep up, which that's a good thing and a bad thing at the same time, you know. I enjoy the business, but it gets kind of stressed when you stay behind all the time. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, 10-4, I sure do, man. I sure do. Hey, you know what? It's about time I turned this old donkey stomper on and burnt the old cobwebs out of it there.
Hey, that old 2 driving 8's working good, man. Sounding good. Hey, when I first turned mine on, it hadn't been plugged in 2 months. I turned mine on, it wouldn't key up. I had the foot pedal come unplugged out of it. I had to reach around there and figure out what was going on.
Oh, hell. I bet that opened your eyes a little bit.
Yeah, I hadn't even had it plugged in about, a month or two, about 2 months. And I reached down and turned it all on, keyed it up, nothing. I said, uh-oh. And finally I went back there and started jerking the wires around, and my foot pedal was about half unplugged.
Right, yeah. Well, at least you figured it out, man, and that's all it was.
Yeah, that's kind of scary because I don't really feel like building all them pills or power supplies right now. I ain't got time for that.
No, I seen that you're pretty busy, man. You know what? That's a good thing, though.
Oh, yeah, it's a good thing. I can't complain, man. Like I said, I just got to I wished I could do everybody's at one time, but I'm just one person, so I got to kind of pace myself and do what I can as I go, you know.
Hey, I might have a couple more little builds coming up for you. I talked to a couple guys. They need some couple little small boxes and for their work trucks.
Alrighty, man, just send them my way and let me know who they are and tell me you sent them. We'll sure try our best to take care of them and do them a good job, buddy.
Hey, I sure will, my friend. I sure will, man. Hey, it's good talking to you, man. It's about time that we got a little bit of conditions there. It's just been dead quiet everywhere.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. My big box ain't been plugged up in about 2 months there until today.
Yeah, no, man, I hear you. I tell you what, you sure are putting it out today, man. You got me way over in the red.
Tell you what, save some of them flyers yourself. You're going to like this video, Gate. You're sounding real good up here. Well, 747, man, I'm going to get back off here and load this gate up and get back to work. You have a good one, buddy. Appreciate you hollering at me. Everybody out there have a good evening. 018 Tennessee Beavers down here. Donkey Stomper going to be back quite a while.
All right, there's 018. You take care, man. Hey, till next time. We'll do it again. Sounding good on my end. 018 747. We'll see you.
Bye, my friend 747. We're listening.
Okie dokie, good evening to you. Hello, Ryan, okie dokie, old